Step 1, take out the compost. Step 2, good morning, greenhouse. We gotta get our handles on. We got handles for it. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be 80 degrees today, so we actually kept the windows open last night because it wasn't too bad. It's currently 53, 86 humidity. Spinach, still doing good. Everything up before a hard day of sun. I forget what these are. I have the blackberries. The raspberries are the sticks. I can't remember. I have so many berries. That's okay. Peppers down here, strawberries down here. Tell you what, these Dollar Tree sprayers, they do pretty good. As I say that. Alright. Now I planted zucchini and squash down by the fruit trees. Down by the fruit trees. Sounds hilarious. And stuff has a hard time living over there because we have wildlife. Let's say wildlife. Bunnies, birds, squirrels, chipmunks, ants, squash bugs, you name it, we got it. But that's good. That means we have a healthy environment. If we were missing any of it, maybe it wouldn't be so healthy. I will say, I do love how we have so many worms. Hang on, the dog is moving too quickly. She worries me when she runs around too quickly. Why don't you just stay in here with me? Out of trouble. Today is Thursday. Yeah, it's supposed to get like 80. Did I water the lettuce? I can't remember. They're so cute, those lettuce. Hi, do you need squirted? And then after we're done watering everything in here, we leave the door open. We don't have a fan set up yet. It's really switch out cool one. I fill these after before I leave the greenhouse. Nope, you can't see. Oh, it's focusing on it. I mean, look at these strawberry plants. They were only planted a week ago. Come on, Concord grape. You can do it. It's a seedless Concord grape. So, we have grapes over there, grapevine. And I think I cut them back a little bit too much this year, or in the fall. We don't have nearly as many grapes. Last year was crazy bumper crop. Good morning, Nana, the banana. Still looking good. This leaf right here, maybe we should take that off. It's a little sad. Oh, where did I put that? Also, I have containers everywhere. And just so I don't forget, I'm gonna use this guy. The squash. The three squash. They're looking good. The three squash. Water. Alright, Nana. Back to you. Just keep that parsley dirt moist. Alright, Basil. You're doing good. Alright, come on, blueberries. I know you can do it. We had a blueberry bush that didn't bloom and didn't bloom and didn't bloom. So I thought it was dead, but there are a few green sticks on it. So what did we do? We cut it up. We dug it up and we cut it up. And we saw something on YouTube and we're like, let's try it out. We'll just stick the sticks in wet sand, see if they'll grow roots. And we did it. And almost all the sticks grew roots. And they were doing great. That's okay. These two right here are hot peppers. Jalapenos. No, habaneros? Yes. I think I said habaneros. Alright. I can hear these guys working. Let's check the water level. Down because I need two hands. Alright, after this I'm gonna go water all the hanging flowers and then I'm going to water the veggies and check the peas and check the blueberries and goodness. Farmer life is a lot of work. Greenhouse, you're doing great. Oh, look at them. All right, good morning, everybody, and have a good day.